Welcome back to QA Vault. In this video, let's understand what white box testing is and explore its different types. White box testing is a testing technique where we test the internal logic, code structure, and flow of the program. It's also known as glass box testing, or unit testing, or mutation testing. Open box testing, structural testing, clear box testing. The main goal is to make sure every statement, condition, and loop inside the code is tested and works as expected. This type of testing is usually performed by developers who understand the internal logic and code structure. Let's see the main types of white box testing. Statement coverage ensures every line or statement in the code is executed at least once during testing. Branch coverage verifies that all possible branches or decision paths, like if-else conditions, are tested. Condition coverage checks that all logical conditions in the program are evaluated as both true and false. Loop coverage ensures that all loops in the code are tested with 0, 1, and multiple iterations. Path coverage validates that all possible paths through the code are executed at least once. Advantages: it helps find hidden coding errors, optimizes the code, and improves internal logic reliability. Disadvantages: it requires programming knowledge and is time-consuming for large systems. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss black box testing in detail. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to QA Vault.